Ladies, welcome to class today on this December 7th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's jump right into today's announcements. Ladies, please remember you have a test tomorrow. You have nothing to turn in today. Now, tomorrow, you're going to have to turn in 2 review sheets, okay? Did you get that, ladies? 2 review sheets. They do not have to be completed, okay? But you'll have to turn in what you have done, okay? Now, incompletes. Hannah, your desk corrections. Remember, Hannah, you still got to do number 9. I talked about that in yesterday's intro video. I told you what video to watch and where to fast forward the video to, and you can watch that and do number 9. So your desk corrections must be turned in by Friday, okay? Alright, moving on. Today we're going to take notes and work on homework. Now we're starting chapter 7 today. Obviously, ladies, none of this material will be on tomorrow's test. Now this chapter is basically about similar polygons, okay? We're going to study the characteristics, excuse me please. We are going to study the characteristics of similar polygons. Please understand that they are different than congruent polygons. We're going to be learning 3 ways to prove that triangles are similar, along with some other ratio and proportional stuff. Now the video today is about ratios and proportions. Chapter 7 has a lot to do with similar polygons, as I mentioned above. Those ratios and proportions tie in very well with similar polygons. Please make sure you understand today's material. It is very important for the rest of the chapter, okay? So watch this video today, please. Lesson 7.1, start it here and stop it here. Now notice your homework, because if your test tomorrow is not due until Monday, okay? So copy this down and work on it today, but you do not have to finish it until Monday, okay? There's your help video right here. Now, quiz number 18. Each mistake was 2.5 points off, okay? The only problems that were missed were on the back, numbers 18, 19, and 20. So please listen carefully as I go over numbers 18, 19, and 20. Now, in your book, there was a diagram that looked like this. There was an angle down here that was 55 degrees. This angle here was 125 degrees. This angle here was 105. Now the question was, is this a parallelogram? Well, if it was, these 2 angles here would have to be supplementary, and so would these 2 here. It has to be both, okay? Well, if you add up these 2, they equal 180, so that's good. However, if you add up these 2 here, you only get 160. So no, this is not a parallelogram because both sets of angles were not supplementary. Now number 16 or number 19, the answer is yes, because, and remember guys, you had to give reasons. So if you just put yes or no, that's why you missed the problem. It says explain your reasoning. So how would I know that number 19 is a parallelogram? Because both sets of opposite sides are congruent. Okay? That's one of our ways to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. And then lastly, number 20, yes, because the diagonals bisect each other. Notice these 2 Notice this here was a 5, and this here had a length of 5, this here had a length of 4, and this here had a length of 4. So both diagonals were bisected. So yes, that is a parallelogram. Okay? That's all for today, ladies. Please get to work on your notes and homework. Remember, your homework is not due until Monday. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions.